Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we're going to learn a section of solids of a square prism. Now see, they will give you a square prism like this as shown in the figure. Now we're going to cut in top view. Up till now we have seen in front view cut. In this we will cut in top view. So first you draw square prism inclined at 45 degree with given side and height. See this, side is 35 and angle is 45, this is XY. After that you draw 45 degree to draw side view. You project line like this and you project line from here like this. This is Y. This is horizontal line. This is 65. So you draw vertical line. You mark this point as A. This is ABCD. This is A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. And inside you it will be double dash. Now for development we take A to B and we cut like this. Then take B to C, cut here, C to D and D to A. 4 times you cut sides and you draw development. So we are done with the basic thing. Now if you see, there is a cut in top view. So see, you take 10 mm from here and you cut like this. So when you cut like this, what will change in front view and top view and side view? See, from here we will draw vertical line. Over here we get only 2 points, PU, PV, and in side view you will have one line. So this will become dark. Because now we can see entire solid and a rectangle like this. Because if you see in top view, only this much will be dark, and in side view this much will be dark. So whatever portion is getting cut in front view, that will be hatched. See this is point 1 and 2, right? So take A to 1 and cut in development, and take B to 2 and cut in development. Then you draw vertical line. So we are done with development also. See, all these lines will be dark. This is sectional front view. This is how it will look in front view. So always remember, whenever you cut in top view, you generally get 2 points in such kind of sums. This is TSS as well. This is top view, sectional front view, sectional side view, and this is development. And in development, this in between, the line joining 1 to 2 will be light. The rest all will be dark as shown in the figure. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.